how to search for channels on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can search for channels on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to search for channels on Telegram, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Telegram application. And as you can see, I'm part of many Telegram channels and so on here. So if you would also like to join a particular channel, tap the search icon from the top right and simply search for the channel that you would like to join over here. And there could come up as, depending upon your searches, if it is a group it will show members, if it is channel it will say subscribers. So here in this case you can see that 60,000 subscribers, which means it is a channel. Here you can see 463 members, which means this is a group, so that are not channels. So that's the difference you want to understand. If you want to join a particular channel, select that channel, tap the join option. Depending upon the rules of the channel, you'll be able to join. But to give you a basic context, this is how you can search for channels on Telegram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.